We are tracking rain, and it is not good timing. Thousands will be on the streets of Philadelphia in the morning for the Broad Street Run. So meteorologist Lauren Casey, how's it looking?
It's not looking horrible.
Okay.
It could be better. Could be worse, but it is going to be a little bit damp. We'll see a few light showers passing on through, likely through the duration of the race, but it's not going to be pouring down. Also, it's not going to be frigid, but today certainly a cool day. We had the cloud cover in place through much of the day. Our high temperatures really struggling because of that. We're at 67 degrees right now in Philadelphia, 67 in AC. Cool in the Poconos, 56 right now, and we're at 63 in Allentown. We do have this easterly wind flow, east-northeast winds right off the ocean, so we got that marine air mass today, looking very much like an east wind day with those low clouds. It was a little breezy at times, kind of a couple of sprinkles working on through. For tonight, we'll see some scattered showers moving on through, otherwise cloudy conditions, staying a little bit breezy at times. Temperatures don't budge really too much overnight, 61 degrees, and then don't really budge too much tomorrow either. A high temperature 68 degrees. Again, those low clouds in place, dreary looking skies with some intermittent showers, breezy once again, and certainly damp. Storm Scan 3 showing us we do have this batch of shower activity offshore that's moving its way onshore. Again, fairly light in intensity, but starting to see some light rain coming down now in the Delaware beaches and just about to push in to our Cape May County beaches as well. This in association with a coastal area of low pressure that at this point is really looking well organized. You notice that counterclockwise circulation, and this low does have the potential to take on some tropical or subtropical characteristics in the next 48 hours. National Hurricane Center giving the system a 50% chance, but regardless of tropical development, our forecast is essentially going to be the same for tomorrow and into tomorrow night. So for tonight, we're going to see that round of showers working on through that we were watching on Storm Scan. It's going to cross the I-95 corridor and then head into our far western counties. The low starts to make an approach as we head into tomorrow morning. So this particular model, not really looking too bad, but we certainly could see some sprinkle showers, some light showers for 8 a.m. tomorrow morning for the Broad Street Run. Then a better chance of showers as we head into the afternoon as the low continues to make an approach into tomorrow evening. Still a few showers around, but the heaviest of precip will stay offshore closer to the center of the low. Then as we head into Monday, that moisture should start to move on out. So future weather projection showing us, not a ton of rainfall accumulating with these rounds of showers, showing you how light in intensity they are. The only difference would be if we are dealing with a tropical or subtropical system, we could see some heavier pockets of rain if that low moves a little bit closer right along the immediate coastline. That would really be the only change in our forecast for late day tomorrow and tomorrow evening. Down the shore, not the prettiest day you've ever seen, dealing with those showers continuing throughout the day, kind of on and off in nature. Then on Monday, just an isolated shower, 74 degrees, some morning fog on Tuesday, then increasing sunshine, then a taste of summer as we head into the second half of next week. Check that out. High temperatures near 80 degrees for 4 days in a row. It's going to be a warm one at the Birds game, but not looking too bad to sit in the stands. That's nice. Mostly sunny. Temperatures in the 70s. I'll take it.
Zero complaints.
Yeah.
No complaints at all. Lauren, thank you so much.